students died following a botched hair transplant.
Illegal hair replacement center are operating in Malaysia.
A businessman from Mumbai died hours after he underwent a hair transplant surgery.
And today is 11/11. It's also known as the International World Singles Day. And it's where people like you and I will actually look out for the best and greatest deals that we can find online, be it Lazada, Shopee, Amazon. However, today is also known as the World Hair Transplant Repair Day. And it's the day that we want to raise awareness for this Fight the Fight campaign held by the ISHRS. And FIGHT standing for?
So FIGHT stands for Fraudulent Illicit Global Hair Transplants. And it's an acronym created to highlight the presence of the ubiquitous black market hair transplant industry that's going on. So it's worldwide, it's quite widespread. Usually telltale signs would be promises of unlimited grafts, a very, very low cost involved. They'll tell you about their amazing results and make grandiose claims about it being scarless and no downtime. And these are all marketing gimmicks to watch out for, and they are really red flags that would hint to somebody that this is a no-go, this is a no-deal. On World Hair Transplant Repair Day, we just want to bring about the message that these clinics exist in places that are very close to you, including in a very well-regulated place like Singapore.
And we are very concerned about these black market clinics, as these clinics may potentially result in side effects or complications as you may, right? Things like infection, bleeding, unnatural hairline, donor over-harvesting, and can potentially result in irreparable damage that is not salvageable by future experienced hair transplant surgeons.
And we have seen such cases that have come to us. They have come with donors that look moth-eaten, the harvesting was just poorly done, with massive loss of density all across donor done by FUE. And when we probe, it's usually done by one of the technicians that run around in the local market offering hair transplant services in clinics that are not well set up to provide these services. And unfortunately, a lot of times, paired with scanty growth, we are not able to repair these cases, and we have to reject them and counsel them on how to otherwise camouflage the poor growth on the scalp, such as using scalp micropigmentation or using a hair system. And it's very disappointing for the patient. So to prevent all this from happening in the first place, it's important to seek out a certified and experienced, well-reviewed hair restoration practitioner to get a consultation about your hair transplant surgery in the very first instance. This World Hair Transplant Repair Day, we once again committed to providing one pro bono surgery to fix a botched hair transplant done by a black market center or clinic.
So if you actually know of someone who is actually a victim of such cases, of such black market clinics, do like and share this video with them so that they can actually come into contact with us and we can fulfill our side of the promise.
So spread the word. There are plenty of victims out there. I've seen them walking around on the streets with very, very poorly done hair transplants. And we can get this message out to them to contact us. We'll be consulting them and telling them how we can improve the outcome of their previously botched surgery. And this may be a very somber episode of Hair Talks by Terra Medical, but we just really want to bring about the reminder that these centers for profit actually exist outside of the regulated medical jurisdiction in many parts of the world. It will be imperative that you do your due diligence in researching for a good quality center to provide you with hair restoration services, lest you fall victim to the black market. Thank you for your attention, and we want to catch up again in our next episode. So stay tuned, click like and subscribe, and leave any questions in the comment section below.